Automation testing. Automation testing is a process that validates if software is functioning appropriate and meeting requirements before it is released into production. Essentially, it is a test to double check that the requirement our software does exactly what it was designed to do. Benefits of automation testing: higher accuracy, better reporting capabilities, increased coverage, enhanced resource efficiency, improved bug detection, increased reusability. Here a list of the top 10 automation testing tools: Selenium, Appium, Catalan Studio, Cucumber, UFT, Soap UI, Test Complete, Worksoap, RFT, Fabric Test Studio. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel.